violation of due process and attacks from UN officials that violates the constitutional provision on the presumption of innocence. These are the reasons why President Rodrigo Duterte decided on the Philippines' withdrawal from the International Criminal Court's founding treaty, the Rome Statute, effective immediately. ICC hears cases on crimes against humanity.
Ang nagiging problema kasi sa ICC, from the perception of the President, it has become a political tool to harass a particular country like ours.
Based on the statement of President Duterte, there appears to be a concerted effort on the part of the UN Special Rapporteurs to paint him as a ruthless and heartless violator of human rights who allegedly caused thousands of extrajudicial killings. The President also claims that the ICC has made a premature public pronouncement of its preliminary examination on the anti-drug war of his administration. The examination came after the information were filed by the camp of self-confessed hitman Edgar Matobato and his lawyer attorney Jude Sabio, as well as Senator Antonio Trillanes IV and Magdalo Party-list Representative Gary Alejano in 2017. The President argues that such move has made an impression of him as already charged in the International Criminal Court for serious crimes under its jurisdiction. It was in 2011 when the Philippines joined the ICC as the 117th member state after it ratified its Rome Statute. However, this is not effective or unenforceable because the government then failed to publicize the said Rome Statute in its official gazette.
Rome Statute should have been published in the official gazette or in a newspaper of general circulation before it could be deemed to be effective in this country or enforceable. Since it was not, so there is no Rome Statute to speak of in the first place.
Aside from this, the government also insists that the acts complained in relation to the anti-drug war are neither genocide nor war crimes since the deaths occurring in the process of legitimate police operation lack the intent to kill, and police only defended themselves against violent resistance of drug personalities. The statements of UN Special Rapporteur Agnes Calamard as well as UN Human Rights Chief Said Rad Al-Hussein are biased and show refusal to respect the Philippines' independence from foreign influence and control. The preliminary examination also by the prosecutor Fatou Bensouda seems to appear that ICC is being used as political tool against the Philippines. Meanwhile, Senate President Coco Pimentel said they have no power to reverse the decision of the President on the issue of withdrawal from ICC.
It's just simple notification from the state that it is withdrawing. So,
wala kailangan ng Senate.
Hindi na. If I were President, baka ginawa ko rin yun eh. Kasi, imagine, sino ang nagrereklamo. Tapos, ano yung mga aligasyon? This is, di ba to domestic policy? This is law enforcement.
The government, on the other hand, denied that President Duterte is copying out from his alleged potential liability or responsibility.
Versus naman sinasabi ni President na we're open to investigation from any human rights body. Pumunta lang kayo rito, hindi yung you rely on what you read, what you receive, the kind of information na false. Punta kayo rito, tingnan niyo yung bansa natin.
Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Malacanang.